I worked out for many, many decades to get huge. You know, he made his money in real estate.
Arnold?
Yeah, so he got started in bodybuilding, came up with like, if you want to get built like me, you do a workout routine, blah, blah, blah. And then he made his first million in real estate in California after he came to the United States. And like, so freaking, it's like, you know what? This is a lesson that I've just thought about and we've been thinking about is like, we want to sell this game. We want to make games for a living. For sure, right? And maybe at one point, we can only make video games. That'll be our whole job, right? Right now, we also have to make YouTube videos. And part of that is like, just like Arnold Schwarzenegger didn't just get ripped, just like I didn't just learn programming and art, he also like showed other people how to get ripped. So that's like, I want to show other people how we're making this video game. And in that way, like, hopefully that will...
this is our pumping iron.
This is our selling supplements and a book that teaches you how to pump iron, right? Is we want to show you not just what we're doing, but how we're doing it. It's like the opposite of gatekeeping. We want a gate open.
Yeah, we're holding the door open.
Yeah, we want to hold the door open, right? Like, I know we've just come through the door and like we haven't proven ourselves, but like we are coming through the door.
We're coming through
and we're holding it open for the next guy. All right, so I think in a lot of programming and a lot of dev environments, they do this thing with Post-it notes. I have like seen that on TV. I think I read about it once in an article like 15 years ago. I don't know the name of the system. If you know it, leave me a comment, tell me all about it. But we just were like, let's use Post-its. We all struggle, all of the people who work on Left on Red Games struggle with ADHD symptoms. I don't think any of us are diagnosed. I'm diagnosed with obsessive disorder, but we all struggle with ADHD symptoms. So one thing that I thought, it's a dopamine attention thing, right? So one thing I thought that would really help us get the dopamine is if we could take one of these things and you can choose, like, if you're going to program like some systems, some actual game systems, you take a pink. If you want to program or work on the art for like a bomb or weapons for the ship, you would take a green. And if you want to work with like an enemy and come up with how that's going to move or do the art for one of those, you would take a blue. And what that does is whenever it's time to do the next thing, it's not definitely going to be this. You have a lot of choices, and that choice can help you like think of new things, and it can help you like feel excited to do the next piece of work. And then when you finish it, you take it, and we have a big wall, and we just put the finished ones on the wall. And that means when we've been like programming for a while, or we've been working on things, on videos and stuff, and you feel like, oh my God, I feel like we haven't accomplished anything. Like at the end of the day, you can look over to the wall and see it's filled up, right? You've done a whole bunch of stuff. And so that's the Post-it note system we're working on. We sort of came up with it ourselves based on a vague understanding that other people did something like this. We really like it. If you have some sort of system or some hints to help you like feel accomplished and self-motivated, please let us know. Any little bit helps. All right, thanks so much. Like, subscribe, don't care, whatever. We love you guys. Thanks for helping us out.
You can do it. You can do it. You can be the greatest. Do it. Go for it.